start with our lesson. In previous class we learned about the plant cell and animal cell. In previous class we learned about the plant cell and animal cell. So plants are also made with cells, animals also made with cells. Plants also made with cells. Plant is made with cells. Animals also made with cells. Cells together is called tissues. And in animals also together is called tissues. Plants are made with cells. Cells together is called tissue. Animals are made with cells. Those are called tissue. Okay. Plant made with cells. Plants are made with the cells. Now we discuss about the cell. We will discuss about the cell. In the cell, they are in a maximum round shape will be there. Maximum 99% of the cells are round shape will be there. Okay. If you see inside the cell, there is one round structure is there. Round structure is there. This is called nucleus. This is called nucleus. Every cell contains nucleus. Our body contains one brain will be there. With the help of that brain only we can control our body. With the help of our brain only we can control our body. The control point in our body is brain. Same here also, inside the cell, if you see, inside the cell there is a one center, one point will be there, that is called a nucleus. It will control total cell. Control, monitor total cell. If you see inside the cell, first I discussing about the nucleus. Nucleus will control and monitor and organize the total cell. After the nucleus, there is one gel-like structure will be there. Gel-like structure. You know, gelatinous one chocolate will be there. If you see inside gel-like sticky substance is there. You know already. The sweet that is okay. Here also inside the cell there is a gel-like structure is there. That is called cytoplasm. Remember all the things. You have to remember. These are the parts of the cell. The center of the cell is the nucleus. And after the nucleus, there is a one gel-like structure will be there. That is called a cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is covered by one membrane. The cytoplasm is covered by one membrane. This membrane is called, you have to remember these all the things. That is called plasma membrane. This is called plasma membrane. It will protect the cell from external environment. It is external, it is outside of the cell. It is inside the cell. One layer will be there. This layer is called nothing but a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, another name is plasma membrane, another name is the cell. That's why it's called cell membrane. The plasma membrane, another name is cell membrane. Plasma membrane, another name is, what is the name? Cell membrane. You have to remember, the cell is covered by one membrane, that is called cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay? You have to remember these things. You must remember. Inside the cell, nucleus will be there. Nucleus after a gel-like substance, a gel-like substance will be there. That is called cytoplasm. After that, one layer will be covered. Or total cell. That is called a plasma membrane. So this plasma membrane will protect the cell. Now these are the three main points you have to remember in the cell. Okay, every cell, if you see plant cell or animal cell, these two cells contains these structures. Mainly these structures we can see. So now we are going in depth knowledge now. If you see in the cytoplasm, just remember the name cytoplasm. If you see inside the cytoplasm, there is a small structures will be there. Those structures are nothing but today's topic is cell organelles. Okay? Cell organelles. What is the meaning of organelles? What's the meaning of organelles? Organelles is nothing but they will do a particular function. You know what's the meaning of organ? You know what is the meaning of organ? You know what is the meaning of organ? Just think about it. If you see in your body, heart will be there. That is one organ. You know the liver? Yes, that is one organ. You know the kidney? That is one organ. So those organs will do different function in your body. Same with the cell also, the small structures will be there. Those structures will do the different function. That's why they called as the organelles. Because they are very small. That's why they are called organelles. If you see inside the cell, some organelles will be there. What are those organelles? Near the nucleus. So nucleus, remember the name. Near the nucleus, there is a membranous structure. I will draw big diagram here afterwards. Just I am explaining very small here. Okay. So there is a one membranous structure will be there. That is called ER. Shortcut you remember ER. That is ER. That is endoplasmic reticulum. Just you have to remember. That is called endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is there in textbook. Okay. So endoplasmic reticulum, very near the nucleus it will be there. That is one cell organelle. In your body, what is the function of heart? Can you tell me, anybody? Just think, what is the function of the heart? Function of the heart is pumping of the blood throughout your body. What is the function of the kidney? Function of the kidney is clean your blood. What is the function of the lungs? They will take the air from the atmosphere. You are taking air, breathing out. Breathe in, breathing out. Breathe in, breathing out. Yes, we are taking air from the atmosphere. Yes or no? We are taking it. We are taking air from the atmosphere. We are taking air from the atmosphere. Yes or no? So, why they will take air? Will need some oxygen that will enter into your body. Okay. Here also, some of the cell organelles will do different. Here also one function will be there. After I will explain. Okay. Next, another one membranous structures will be there. Another membranous structures is there. These are called Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Remember this name, very important. Remember this name. Golgi complex. It is away, somewhat away from the nucleus. This is away from the nucleus. This is away from the nucleus. Very near the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum will be there. It will attach to the nucleus. Okay? These two, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. After that, we can see there is a spindle shaped or cone shaped. Spindle shaped or cone shaped. These are structures will be there inside the cytoplasm. We can see only in plants. Those are nothing but, can you tell me what are that? Only plants they have, that is chloroplast. That is called chloroplast. That is called a chloroplast. Okay, so this is called chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast in which color you know? Can you tell me the answer? Chloroplast, where it will be there? In plants only. Where in plants where it will be there? In leaves only. That's why chloroplast is green color actually. That's why leaf is green color. Leaf cells are made with cells. Every cell contains so many chloroplasts. That's why it's green color. Okay, the plants only contains chloroplast. Next, another round or oval shaped structures are there. Round or oval shaped structures are there. Round or oval shaped structures are there. These are called mitochondria. These are called mitochondria. Just remember the names. Very important, new for you, I think. It's a new for, okay? First one is the nucleus. Okay? And after that, endoplasmic reticulum. Here, endoplasmic reticulum you have to remember. And after that, the Golgi complex. Away from the nucleus. After that, in the cytoplasm, you can see the chloroplast, you can see. In plants only you can see. And after that you can see mitochondria. These things you have to remember. Okay? Clear? Next. There is one big vacuole will be there. One big vacuole will be there in the very big vacuole. Big vacuole will be there inside the cytoplasm. That is called vacuole. That is called vacuole. In the cytoplasm, there is a big empty space. That is nothing but a vacuole. You are thinking that is empty space. That is not empty space. It will fill the water actually. It will, okay. So it contains some liquid water. It contains some water. It contains some water inside the vacuole. It will store the water. The vacuole will store the water. The vacuole will store the water. This vacuole will empty space. You are thinking this is empty space. It is not empty space. This vacuole contains some water. It will store the water. Okay. Next you can see. So inside the cytoplasm, there is a round structures you can see. There is a round structures you can see. These are called ribosomes. These are called ribosomes. These are called ribosomes. Ribosomes or structures will be there in the cytoplasm. Okay. Now you can see majority of the cell organelles I covered. Majority of the cell organelles. Not only this, and the lysosomes also there. lysosomes. A vacuole-like structures which are present in the cell. These are called lysosomes. Lysosomes. Okay. Now listen. So very important. You have to remember. So what is the meaning of cell organelle? Cell organelles are nothing but a small minute structures which are present inside the cytoplasm. A minute structures. We can see with the help of electron microscope. We cannot see with the help of compound microscope, which is there in the lab or in the science lab, in the laboratory outside. Blood test they will see the one, that is compound microscope. So these all cell organelles are very minute. We can see with the help of only electron microscope. These cell organelles are present inside the cytoplasm. They will do different function. What is the different function? Okay. So example, mitochondria is there. Mitochondria will release energy. What is the work of the chloroplast? They will prepare the food. Next class we will discuss very in detail. I am just giving one understanding. If you see, the nucleus will control the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum will prepare the proteins and lipids. Golgi complex will pack the materials which is produced by the cell. Pack and supply. Parcel service. We can see here ribosomes will prepare the proteins. They contain some nucleic matter. Okay, so here we can see what is the work of the vacuole. They will store the water. Generally, which cells will store more water? Think once. Which cells will store more water? Think once. Plant cells will store more water. That's why vacuole is very big. Vacuole is very big in the plant cells. Okay, so lysosomes are suicidal bags of the cell. They contain some enzymes. They will kill the total cell. They will explain afterwards very clearly. Okay. Now today we give the homework. I will give the homework. We have to draw the pictures of. Here I already told endoplasmic reticulum. Here Golgi complex. You have to draw these diagrams. Okay, so you have to draw the diagrams of endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. These things you have to draw and label its parts. Okay, just note down the points, children. Very important. Okay, thank you very much.